Has your struggle with setting boundaries caused you to constantly overbook yourself? Say yes or agreeing to something that wasn't actually true for you? Or even caused you to over-explain rather than just saying no? Many of us have internalized unhealthy beliefs about boundary setting. We're taught that there should be no boundaries between us and the people we love, that boundaries equal keeping secrets, or we're taught that saying no to someone in need is selfish and cruel. In reality, setting limits and saying no protects the most important relationship in your life, the one you have with yourself. But as important as boundary setting is, we understand why it can be difficult, especially if you have learned to make yourself small to avoid being an inconvenience to others. If you struggle with knowing how to set boundaries, watch this video for 4 simple actions you can take to strengthen your personal boundaries today. Without identifying your limits, you cannot uphold them, nor can you expect anyone else to do the same. If speaking your boundaries is hard for you, you might start by writing them down in a private journal or note on your phone. The difference between being assertive and being aggressive is keeping your boundary setting focused on yourself and your feelings. For example, instead of saying, "You make me mad when you do X," you could say, "I feel angry when X happens." No is one of the most challenging phrases in the English language. It's normal to worry that you're letting someone down by saying no. But remember, when you say yes to everything and become overwhelmed, you can't be there for others the way you want to be. Our bodies send us signals in the form of sensations that cue us into how we are feeling in the moment. Listen to those instincts. Unpleasant physical sensations are often the first sign that our boundaries are being violated. By ignoring those feelings, we're essentially saying that we're okay with others disregarding our boundaries. And as always, thanks for watching.